Are you getting an activation error when you try to activate FaceTime on your iPhone? Don't worry, you are not the only one experiencing this. This problem can be annoying and might prevent you from using FaceTime to connect with friends and family. Often it's caused by network issues, incorrect settings, or even something related to your Apple ID. But here is some good news. I have got several solutions for you that can help get FaceTime activated and working smoothly. So let's dive in and see what can help. Solution 1. Check date and time settings. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Then tap Date and Time. Make sure Set Automatically is switched on. Solution 2. Enable FaceTime in Settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on FaceTime under the App section. Toggle FaceTime off and then back on. If prompted, sign in with your Apple ID. Make sure that you're activating FaceTime with either your Apple ID or phone number. Solution 3. Sign out and sign back in. Start by opening Settings on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. Scroll down and select Sign Out. Then restart your iPhone. After that, return to Settings and sign back in with your Apple ID. Solution 4. Offload FaceTime. Start by going to Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and select General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Find FaceTime in the list and tap on it. Tap Offload App, then confirm it to offload FaceTime without deleting your data. Solution 5. Enable Background App Refresh. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and select General. Tap on Background App Refresh. Make sure Background App Refresh is set to Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, scroll down to check that FaceTime is enabled for background refresh. Solution 6. Reset all settings. Go to Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset, then choose Reset all settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the activation error on FaceTime and start using it again. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing for more helpful troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.